Hello dear traders, you're watching weekly review of US stock market presented to you by InstаФорекс news team with me, Kate Nedachina. Last week, the American stock market closed slightly up amid modest trading volumes and strong US economic data, casting a shadow over geopolitical tensions in the world. S&P grew by 0.3%, closing at 2,003.37 points. Dow Jones Industrial Average gained just 0.1%, ending up at 17,098.45 points. Nasdaq pulled by 0.5% to 4,580.27 points. This is the highest closing level since March 29, 2000. Over the whole month, the S&P 500 soared 3.8%, and it's the big again since February. Meanwhile, the value of Dow Jones increased by 3.2%, and that of Nasdaq edged up by 4.8%. During the week, Dow Jones went up by 0.6%, S&P 500 by 0.8%, and Nasdaq by 0.9%. Investors took into consideration the U.S. Consumer Confidence Report and Chicago PMI surpassing expectations, while consumer spending unexpectedly slipped. In addition, another important factor is the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Now, investors are looking forward to upbeat news about U.S. new jobs slated for release next week. Now, investors are looking forward to upbeat news about U.S. new jobs slated for release on Friday. The trading volume on Thursday and Friday was extremely poor as many traders were preparing for Labor Day celebrations. Let us now briefly review the stocks that were moving the U.S. stock market. First of all, we should dwell on Avago Technologies Ltd. The shares of the company surged 7.5%, rising from the all-time high hit at the closing of the session. This result is the most impressive among other constituents of S&P 500. Wall Street analysts lifted their targets on Apple shares after the corporation unveiled an earnings report exceeding forecasts. Moreover, iPhone 6 release is coming soon. Meanwhile, the Big Lots quote fell by 1.8%. The company announced that its profit in the second quarter turned out to be better than expected. However, the sales fell short of forecast. The company also trimmed its annual revenue expectations. Over the fiscal quarter ending on August 2nd, the corporation made $90.9 million or 37 cents per share versus $18.1 million or 31 cents per share last year. By the way, the European stock market closed with a gain, while Asian stocks mixed in trading. It was a weekly review of stock market. Have a nice trading with InstаФорекс.